What is up, everybody? It's Larry back with you, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about backpacks. Now, anybody that's been following the channel or anybody that knows me in real life knows that I am a backpack fiend. Actually, all types of bags: camera bags, backpacks, tech bags, shoulder bag, like any type of bag. I gravitate to them. I try to find one that fits my needs the best, and then I go with that one. Now, I've been using the same low pro backpack for my camera gear for the past couple years. But last month I got an email from a company that I've worked with in the past on some other products, but this is from Initech. And Initech sent me out a request to take a look at 2 of their new backpacks, and these are camera bag backpacks. So that's what we're gonna take a look at today. Let's jump right into it. First up, we have what Initech calls the professional backpack. Okay, so this is the professional backpack. This, they market to, obviously it's for DSLRs or anything like that. It's for camera gear, but they specifically say that it can be used or should be used or designed for. But specifically they say, they call out that it's designed to be used with the DJI Mavic Pro or the Mavic line of drones. So just overlooking at the bag, it's a nice, I like the gray, got the Initech branding on the front, Initech branding on the big thick handle on the top. Around the one side you have the tripod sleeve that when you remove, undo the Velcro, it gives you a pocket to put your tripod in, and then a strap above it. You have a small little zipper pouch on that same pocket. Around the other side you have an expandable like water bottle pocket, and then in the front you have sort of a hidden zipper where you can put some paperwork, maybe your passport, something like that in the front. Then you have the very front has a very deep pocket, the full length, and then you have a bunch of smaller pockets for like SD cards, pencils, pens, all that kind of stuff, and then you can put some notebooks or something in there as well. Along the back side that rests on your back, you have a great cushion. Then you also have the sleeve, like the expandable sleeve, like belt type thing, so you can slide it over your carry-on luggage handle. And then behind that, there's actually a secret zipper to where you can actually put maybe some money or something like that. So it's a very inconspicuous spot to put some stuff. And then when you open it up, and it opens from the back, which I like because it leaves it so you can lay your backpack down. As you can see, I already have some dirt and stuff on this backpack because I've been using it. I don't have anything in it now because all my gear is spread out, but you can lay it down in the mud or in the dirt or whatever, and it can get dirty, and then it's not going to get onto your back. And then there's also the protection part, like the so all your gear is behind you, like somebody can't just walk up behind you, unzip your bag and grab something. So when you open this up, on the upper sleeve, on the part that folds back, you can put I put my 15-inch MacBook Pro in here, so you have a laptop sleeve here. Another cool thing with this one is you have this like protective sleeve here. So another thing that I've had an issue with in the past is you open up your backpack and then all your stuff is just free flowing and can fly around. This has like another protection to where it'll keep everything in place, so you can even move your bag around and not have to zip up the whole thing again or whatever. And then as you can see on the inside, you have a ton of compartments. DSLR camera can go here, but I mean literally all this stuff, this center one here is rigid, but it's even removable. You have a pad in here to bring it up. I mean, this is just the customization that you can do with this is just, I mean, there's just a ton of options to do with this one. I mean, like I said, just a million different ways you can set it up. There's also both of the backpacks we're going to be talking about come with rain covers. So you have, it's just a very generic, basic one that just slides over the whole thing, but you can just slip this in the pocket, and then it's great because if it does start raining or anything like that, you just throw this over and you're good to go. Again, that's the Initech Professional Backpack. Now we're going to take a look at the Initech Anti-Shock DSLR Backpack. So this one here has a little bit of a nicer look. It's got more of a, I guess more of just a style to it. The other one's just a plain Jane backpack. This one you got these little like classic buckles in the front. You have a little two-tone action with the blue and the gray. The buckles actually snap into place with like these latches. So that's a good, it's not like magnets or anything that could come undone. Looking around the side, you have a tripod strap here on this side, another pouch here, but your tripod pouch part is actually tucked under here. So that's nice. If you're not using it, you can tuck it away, but if you are using it, pull it out. Yeah, so, and it also Velcros in, so it's not gonna flop around. On this side, you have another zipper, but it's not a pouch. It actually gives you access to the inside. So you put your DSLR camera here, you got this on your bag, fling it around like a sling, pull out your camera for a quick shot, put it back in. So it gives you quick access to your camera gear, or at least your camera, your go-to, like for me, it would be stills. Above that, you have a zipper here that actually gets you to your top compartment. So again, if you have something up in there, your wallet or something like that, you can have quick access to it. This front pouch here, the front flap, has a full pocket up top there. You can put stuff, whatever. But then looking at the inside, this one is a little bit different. It has this, which I'm usually not a fan of, but I've been using this one and it's growing on me. But you have like this sort of, I don't know what they call it, but a noose style locking system to where you just throw stuff in there and then just sort of, you know, zip tie it back up. But on the inside of this one, you have a compartment here, which this is removable. So if you needed the full length, you could do that if you're carrying something else around. But then you have the laptop sleeve is at the front, and that goes straight down there. You have a couple of pouches back here. Then you have another zipper pouch up top here. Not super deep, but you can keep stuff separated. And then, so I mean, to me, this spot here would be more of, you know, I keep all my camera gear at this bottom section, and then this stuff here would be, I don't know, maybe a sweatshirt, something like that, to where if you're going to be out for the whole day, or a raincoat or something like that. This one, you can put the rain cover can go in this bottom section here where your tripod thing is, so it's out of the way, not taking up any space. Let's take a look at this. You got the front here, which is, again, it's a full sleeve here just for putting stuff in, and then you have a bunch of little pockets here to put stuff. You could probably put an iPad in there. My 12.9 doesn't fit in there, my iPad Pro, but you could put a regular iPad, I believe, in there, iPad mini, new iPad mini. And then, so this, again, has your main access to the camera, to your gear in the back. Again, it's got a nice breathable material on the back, not as rigid and structured as the other one, but then you have two zippers down here. To open this up, you have a little, I like this little detail here. You got the little flaps to sort of keep it from flapping, you know, all the way down. You got a couple spots here where you put SD cards or whatever. And then this one doesn't have nearly as much space when it comes to the dedicated camera area as the professional. So these are definitely two different style bags. Personally, this one I've used just for photography. I used it on a prom shoot 2 weeks ago, I think it's been now. And I just had the Canon 5D Mark IV in here, you know, a flash, couple different gear things. But this one down here, you could put that plus the lenses. I mean, you would have a ton of stuff in there. So yeah, so there's not a ton of room in here, but like I said, you could take off this upper sleeve, this upper divider here, and have access to this whole top piece as well. So you could fill up this whole thing with whatever you need. But again, this is for the smaller amount of gear. The straps are very nice. You have the chest strap on both of them, as well as a lot of padding and a lot of adjustment. So I've been really happy with them. I'll leave links for them down in the description below if you guys want to check them out. If you guys have any bags that are really cool that you'd like me to check out, let me know down in the comment section, because I'm always looking for new bags. But these, big shout to Initech for sending these out. I'm really, really loving them. Like I said, they each have their own individual purpose, but so does all of my other bags. So these will definitely work their way into my rotation of when I'm doing certain things and different projects. So big shout out to Initech. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, you can hit the thumbs up down below. If you've yet to subscribe, you can do that down there as well. That's going to be it for this one. I appreciate you guys watching, and I will talk to you in the next one.